I don't know where these birds come from, y'all. These two big birds look like two big ass turkeys. These birds just came out of nowhere. I've never seen these birds before. CIA just dropped these birds off, man. They get ready to fly. They seem to be getting closer and closer. These big ass motherfuckers, these big ass birds with red faces. Yo, I swear to goodness, man, you know I'm always out here in nature. I've never seen these birds at this park before. I don't know where these birds come from. They look like they're like smaller vultures, like a small version of a vulture or something. And I'm always at this park. What's up, Doc? Where y'all come from? Are y'all really birds or y'all shapeshifters? Y'all probably two humans or y'all might be archons or something inside of a shapeshift inside of a bird or something. Y'all come to talk to me? Y'all come to tell me what's going on? I need to know what's going on. The bird saying, D, you already know what's going on. Look, it's a hot day out here, y'all. It's a hot day. I'm out here at the park. Ain't nobody showing up. Hey, what's up, birds? I need to talk to y'all big asses. Where the hell y'all come from? Damn. Look at the wingspan of that joint. You just land on that pole. Y'all see that? You ain't got to take off. I just want to talk to you. I ain't got no gun. This ain't duck hunting. The wingspan on them Jones, man. They CIA birds, man. That's why they make the birds fly away. These big ass birds, man, I don't know where they came from, yo. Where y'all come from? You see it standing on top of that pole? Stay right there, man. I can't look, you might as well not fly away because I can't get you, right? Oh, that's what y'all was over here chopping on. I had something dead over here. Got flies all over it. Look like a damn possum or something. Some type of dead ass gang stalker. I don't blame y'all. I told you the birds look like small versions of vultures, and that's what they was over there doing. That's what vultures do, right? Scavengers. Oh man, I smell it now. Whew, that's the dead. I didn't even, it just hit me right in the nose with the wind blowing. Where the hell y'all come from, man? We ain't got no vultures around here. Who sent y'all? I never seen y'all two before. The CIA sent y'all out here? The CIA sent you, didn't they? To come clean up the dead? Well, guess what, buddy? Go ahead and get your fork, a knife, and the bed, because we got a bunch of dead bots walking the streets right now. I need you to devour and consume them all up. I hope you got an appetite, because if you came to devour the dead, you're going to gain a lot of weight, player. You're going to be a big-ass bird. You better call your back. You better go call your friends, your buddies. You better go call. You got, man, look, there's a lot of dead bots out here, player. They all in the streets right now. Yo, they look like vultures. They like small, like a, man, who sent y'all, man? I never seen y'all birds before. The other one over there in the tree. They put these birds out here. Never seen these birds before. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, man. I never seen these big ass birds out here before. These birds look like they don't even belong. This not even y'all habitat. Where the hell y'all come from? Y'all look like y'all belong out there in the wild, in the desert somewhere. I'ma holler at you, player. Come down here and finish the meal up. I gotta get back to my car. I tell you, man, it's a conspiracy.